diverse needs. Okay, so all of these are basically asking you for differentiation or challenging task. Okay, and differentiation can be done in different ways. Differentiation is the way you give instructions. Differentiation is the way you present the content. Differentiation is the way the students give the outcome is there. Okay. Differentiation is the way the child is given support, either through resources or through you as a physical person or your TA, whoever. Okay. So that is what is your evidence. Right? Now, if you people remember two years back before Miss Elza, the FS used to have these learning
journeys, yes.
That was a student profile because it showed the students' work over the months. And then at the end of that, you got that full book. Yeah? So that was like a student's profile, where it showed students' work, his or her attainment and progress. But now you have to create your profile because it will have samples of your work of students. So your sample lesson plans, your sample questions, your sample work, okay, your sample anything, activities, hands-on, pictures, collages, your pick collages. That's all your teacher portfolio, which can be done in the form of a PPT, okay, or in the form of hard copy printouts, anyway. So that is basically what comes in a teacher's portfolio. Okay, even your well-being surveys, because at the end of the survey you get an Excel sheet. You're supposed to go and read the response, and then what was your next step? Did you speak to the child? Did you send an email? Okay, so that screenshot is your teacher portfolio, because that's the evidence of your interaction with the student or your response to the student or how you help the child. If a child said, you know that well-being survey we had about bullying, do you know what is bullying? And if a child said no, so did you go and speak to the child about it? Or did you, explain it to the child with examples or with a video? That is your evidence. So some evidence you might have to relate back to what you have done. Okay, so if you are, these statements which are in red. So if you are saying teachers' expectations of all groups of students, that's your statement. Okay, if you then read these two, this is requires development, this is good, right? So if you say teachers' groups of, I am rating myself as good, so then just next to behind that you will start putting all evidence related to this part, to this statement. And then you will go on to the next statement. Again, write this, type this statement. And then again what you are rating yourself. If it is not good, you have to type the requires development. And then give evidence for requires development. Okay, so it's like a, I don't know, like a thesis.
Journey.
Like a journal, like your learning journey, whatever you can call it, anything. But
Teaching
it
journey.
all relates to samples, because you're not going to give all 29 students, multiply by 5 subjects, multiply by 365 days of the year. No, it is selected samples. Okay, because it's in the same way when I ask you, like healthy eating, I ask all of you to give me the collages. Then I ask all the year 2 to give. But that doesn't mean I take all. I take 3 from year 1 and 3 from year 2 and then compile it. So that's what you have to do.